Hello everybody, I am going to show you how to make a bacon rose quiche. Sounds kind of complicated, but honestly it really isn't. We're going to start off though with cooking some bacon. We're going to add about 10 slices of bacon, 10. So now we will remove our beautifully crisped bacon, put it on a paper towel lined plate. Next we'll add a little bit of butter to our drippings and a little bit of oil just to keep it from burning. Stir that around a little bit. Add our mushrooms, some sliced creminis. We are going to add our onions. The moisture from these mushrooms and these onions are going to loosen up those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan, and it's going to go right into our quiche. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. These are starting to look nice and soft and beautifully brown. So we are ready to go on our onions and mushrooms. So let's take them off. We have our beautifully browned onions and mushrooms. So let's put them in our pie crust. It is unbaked and it's in a deep dish 9-inch pie plate. We'll scatter our bacon over top of that. Got about a cup of Swiss and half a cup of Gruyere. Yums. We'll put some green onions on there too. Can't have a quiche without eggs. Crack them in. I'm gonna whisk these up a little bit before we add our cream, because this quiche is gonna be made with bacon and cream. All right, so we've beat those up a little bit. Now let's add about a cup and a half of heavy cream. Some seasonings, we've got a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some nutmeg. And you'll add a little bit of sugar. Let's pour this bad boy in, shall we? In case this quiche didn't have enough bacon in it, let's add some bacon roses on top. You can't have a bacon rose quiche without bacon roses. Stab it so it stays together when you cook it. Okay. Now this is going to bake at 450 for about 15 minutes. Look at how beautiful that is. This bacon rose quiche is so rich and creamy it will melt in your mouth. Ring that bell to subscribe to more videos. Check out more recipes at allrecipes.com, and thank you for watching.